Confidentiality is very important in asylum context. The applicant may want to know if the country of persecution of his or her home country will know about the applicant's asylum case in the United States. Will they know if the applicant is in the United States or applying for asylum? And the applicant may have relatives or friends or close ones, loved ones in the country where the applicant is from, and the confidentiality, of course, is very important. Now, you will note that the United States government guarantees and promises confidentiality in an asylum case, and in asylum interview, the first thing that the officer tells the applicant is that the United States government guarantees confidentiality, that there will not be any information shared with the government or the country or anyone from the home country of the applicant. If the asylum applicant is represented by an attorney in the United States, there is attorney-client privilege as well as client confidentiality, which is also guaranteed and promised by the attorney or law firm representing the applicant. Now, there is a question that often comes up is the applicants want to know if there will be some kind of investigation by the U.S. government in their case. Will there be any inquiries to their applicants' employers, neighbors, friends, or any government agencies? And as I said, the United States government does promise confidentiality, and as part of that promise, they are not allowed to make inquiries into the government of the applicant, of the home country of the persecution, to find out if what the applicant is saying is true or so on. There is an overseas investigation which the United States government, the Department of Homeland Security, does from time to time, and this overseas investigation is limited to the extent of the consular mission to the embassy of the United States in that country. So what can that include? So for example, the applicant's story in the asylum case states that he was treated in a hospital number 2 in this region of this country. The United States government here can make an inquiry to their embassy, to their mission in that country, to find out if there is really this type of hospital, or if there is really a document that is authentic from this hospital, but they can never make inquiries as to whether this applicant indeed worked in this place or was in this place, because that would reveal the applicant's name and possibly would reveal the fact that the applicant is in the United States applying for asylum. So for the safety of the relatives, for the safety of the applicant himself or herself, the United States government does not reveal any information, and it limits its investigation and inquiries to the extent that it will not reveal any information about the applicant or the reasons for the investigation to the foreign governments or any individuals or groups in those countries.